Hello, fellow traders. Welcome to another wonderful episode. My name is Benga Olatunji, and today I would like us to look at something very important. It's actually a question that most traders tend to ask themselves at a point in their trading career. And what is the question? Which of the assets is, best to trade when it comes to the global financial markets? When we talk about the global financial markets, we are talking about the Forex market, the cryptocurrency market, the stocks market, indices, trading indices, and trading volatilities, boom and crash. A lot of assets are available in the global financial market for trading. So I would like to be objective in my analysis of picking the best trading assets. Okay, so this question, to answer it, you have to ask yourself, what is my trading strategy? Your particular trading strategy, it is going to tell a lot in the type of asset that you are going to be trading, and this also will result in you picking one of those assets, one or two of those assets from the list of those assets that you are trading. Okay, so let's say you are a forex trader now and you trade currency pairs. You trade Euro USD, GBP USD, Euro AUD, GBP JPY, a whole lot of them. Probably when you're just starting your trading career. Eventually, you discover that you are more drawn to a particular asset or to some particular assets. That's why probably after 2-3 years of trading or a year of trading, then you stick with probably trading Euro USD and GBP USD. This is because over time, this particular currency pair, it can be one or two of these reasons why you actually pick them. One, it might be because the structure is very easy to understand. Two, it might be because it gives you more profitability when you trade them. Three, it might be because it's less affected by news. Okay, so these are the reasons that you must have picked on. I mean, the things you must have looked at to say, oh, I think this is the trading asset. I mean, this is the particular asset that I want to focus on. Okay, if you look at the forex market space, you discover that there are some traders that do not trade more than a single pair, GBP USD, for some Euro AUD. So you picking the best asset to trade is actually a function of your strategy and your experience with that particular asset over the years. Okay, so now in the forex market space, where you see someone condemning GBP USD, you see another person romanticizing GBP USD. Why is it that way? Because we don't trade the same strategy. Okay, apart from that, the psychological effect of trading a particular pair or holding a particular pair is different. Okay, for some, if they are trading, they are an intraday trader, probably they enter a trade and open to close that same day. GBP USD can give them that. But for someone that hopes to hold his or her trade for a long period of time, probably GBP USD does not fit that particular trading style. So such person will not pick GBP USD as their best trading asset, as the currency pair that they can always fall back on, to say, yes, I want to trade this. So there is no single answer to this particular question. That is the point I'm trying to make. Okay, so for some now, trading commodities, they prefer to trade gold. From all the list of commodities, for some it is silver. So the reason why some pick gold, if you ask them, might be because, gold, the volatility is good, the volume is always good, the structure is easy to understand. All right, so let's start from looking at gold. as a currency, as a commodity. So gold as a pair, when gold is being paired with US dollar, if you look at the daily time frame, you look at my chart and you discover that I have a lot of entries of gold, and mostly it's always buy entries. I hardly take sell entries. Why? Because overall gold always buy. Gold always buys. So if you look at it from let's look at these dates now, probably from October 2023, if we still go back, you discover that it has always been bullish. Yes, there will be a time where you're going to see a major correction, something like this, but eventually it will still continue the buy momentum. Correction, buy, correction, buy, correction, buy, correction, buy, correction. That is how gold moves. So because it is simple for me to understand how gold operates, that is why it is one of the major pair that I trade as a forex trader. Okay, so because for me, I can easily get entries. Look at it. From this zone, I got about 5 or 6 entries from here. So it is easier for me to pick buys entries than when you compare it with other pairs available to trade. So that is why I enjoy trading gold a whole lot. Once gold starts selling, all I do is I wait for the pullback to be done. Sometimes it might be an extensive pullback, sometimes it might just be a minor pullback or a major pullback sometimes. So I will wait out that pullback to happen. Like I said, I don't majorly sell gold. I mostly prefer buys. I think this is the only sell I have on gold, this particular one. From all this, it has mostly been buys, and mostly it gives me profit. So for that particular reason, if someone should ask me, Mr. Benga, what do you think is the best trading asset? I will simply tell the person it's gold. So not just because the structure is clean, also because you can make a whole lot of money trading gold. All right. Yes, it costs more to trade gold, but at the same time, you can make more profit from trading gold. The profit that might take you, weeks to make trading other currency pair, you can easily make it trading gold, which is a commodity. So that is one of the reasons why I like trading gold. Okay. Now, for some, if you look at GBP JPY, let's check GBP JPY. GBP JPY 2 is a kind of pair that once you are able to catch an early entry, whether it's a buy or a sell, it is going to give you a whole lot of pips, and it really just reverse almost towards your TP to give you your TP before it's going to reverse. Okay, and the structure as an SMC trader or a price action trader, so far you're looking at structure. GBP JPY is one currency pair that it's easy to understand based on structure. If it is buying, it is buying, and if it is selling, it is selling, and if it is ranging, it is ranging. So it really gives that kind of confusions, manipulations. That is from my own perspective. That is why I also prefer trading GBP JPY. So these are some of the few reasons why I pick some certain pairs and I don't trade some certain pairs. There are some pairs like USD CHF. I don't trade USD CHF most times. I rarely trade USD CHF. Probably all my major pairs that I'm looking at, they are not giving me something nice. Then I'm trying to look for a trade to place. Probably I am just desperate, looking for something, looking for an entry. So I might look at USD CHF, but most times I don't even trade it. I mostly look at USD CHF probably because of teaching, analyzing with students and all that. So because it is a choppy pair, in fact, generally CHF pairs are choppy. If you look at this entry now, this particular one was, I think it was during a live session. That was when I gave this particular entry. This entry was, I think, around November 14th. Until now, which is November 25, this trade is yet to take this high. It is slow, it is choppy. Look at how it moves. It looks clean, but it is a very slow pair. it will kind of give you headache. So how can a pair be moving from 14th of November to 25th of November just to take out this high, which is, I'm very sure, if you look at the pip count, is less than 250. This is just 246. Okay, let's look at it from entry. From entry to here is just about 200 pips, and is yet to reach that 200 pips. So, but for pairs like GBP, JPY, gold, you already get this pip count in no time. So that is one of the reasons why I don't like USD CHF. So in short, when you are talking about the best trading assets, you can pick your best trading asset based on your strategy and based on your trading style, based on the type of trader that you are, whether you're a short-term trader, a medium-term or a long-term trader. There's some people, they prefer trading boom and crash. There's some they prefer trading VIX 20s, VIX 50s, and the likes of them. There are some that prefer trading indices. There are some that trade only commodities. So, answering that question, you have to factor in your trading style, the type of trader you are, your trading strategy, your psychology. How long can you hold a trade for? Those are the things you have to be able to figure out before you can pick a particular trading asset as being your own best trading asset. So there's no universal best trading asset. Every single individual as a trader picks their own trading assets based on the experience they've had trading such particular currency pair or commodity or any other assets in the global financial market space. So you yourself sit down, look at all the factors that I've highlighted so far, and be able to determine which asset is best for you to trade. There's one line that always resonates with me. Trading less is trading more. When you trade less, you actually tend to make more. Okay, it's not about trading a million pairs, trading indices, commodities, crypto, and everything together. You can just focus on one or two pairs. It might be one from commodity, one from currency pair, and you focus on those two. Master them. You are going to be a master of that particular pair. So pick one or two. Might be 3, 4, 5, but make sure that you limit the numbers of pairs that you pay attention to. So I believe we have learned a lot today once again. So you learned something, like this video, drop a comment and tell us your own best trading assets. It might be from any of the global financial market space. So see you again in the next video.